How to be successful. And if you want to be successful, so you have to change a little bit habits. If you will change your habits, definitely you also can be successful in your life, not in your life, in your career, in your beautiful relations, in surrounding you, or with atmosphere. You gonna be successful in your life if you will follow some habits, and definitely by those habits you can change your life, you can change your targets as well. You also can think to be enjoy life. So let's get started. We will talk about today about habits. How can we change some habits, and by that habits we also can be successful in the life. So my name is Mrs. Richa Jain, and you're the most welcome these sessions. Awesome Blossom English Learner. So actually today I have read a lot, but today I got it things. So why should I not share with you? This is thing not only and only beneficial for me, these things should beneficial for you all. So that's why I'm sharing with you. If you will change your some habits, and definitely you can change your habits. So first is what? First is when you wake up in the morning, at that time just try to thanks to the God that you are really very lucky. Thank you so much God that you just giving to me a really beautiful life as human beings. So for that things, what you have to do, you have to do only one thing, and that is first thing in your life will be change a really very positive and productive life. So first is wake up early. Wake up early. If you will wake up early, definitely no one can stop to you, because your schedule, your time, your day, all things will be maintained by you. How to do it? When you will wake up in the morning and the time, definitely you also can go for a walk. You also can do exercise into the park with all. You also can spend time for yourself. You also can give the time to the natural beauty, natural environment in the early morning. You also can meet when the sun rises, and definitely that feeling is really awesome. When you will try to meet to sunrises, when the sun rises, definitely that environment, atmosphere, feeling positive are really amazing. So you will have to wake up from today, wake up early. Okay. Second thing is just give the priority to the exercise. Just give the priority to the exercise. If you will do exercise, definitely you also cannot fit your body. In fact, you also can maintain your digestion system, and definitely you also can be maintain yourself, maintain your figure, maintain your everything, maintain your disease as well. If you are not doing exercise, definitely it's mean you are capturing gradually disease, and you cannot stop those disease. But of course you also can stop those disease by the exercise. So second is first give the priorities of the exercise. Third thing is meditations. Definitely just try to give the meditations to yourself. Just try to give the time only 20 or 30 minutes to to do meditations. Definitely by the meditations you cannot fit your body. Definitely you also can balance your mind, and definitely your mind you can control to your mind as well. Whenever you are feeling so much angry, so much anxiety, and in these situations no one can stop to you, no one can control to you, but you are one of them in your life. Definitely you can stop yourself, you can take decisions really really very good way, because you are feeling very positive because of meditations. So just try to do meditations. Fourth things, I would like to suggest you focus more and more in your thinkings. Just focus in your thinkings, what you are imaginations, what are you doing, what are you thinking, what what are you making planning. So just try to think on the deepest mode, and just try to think with full of focus. Definitely the time you could realize about yourself in these situations. You also can be realized about your self introspections. Okay, so now fifth thing is, which which should be fifth thing, I just share with you. Fifth thing is read more. Read more. I just give example. If you will read, if you will read on daily basis, not too much, only 25 or 30 minutes. If you will read, definitely by the reading sections you also can gain knowledge. You also can be gain a lot of things. First thing is positive mind. Second thing is you also can love with the books. Third thing is you also can give really very peaceful of mind. You also can give peaceful environment to your mind, and definitely you can keep yourself on the positive mode and knowledgeable mode as well, because by the reading you also can gain a lot of knowledge, positive thinkings, and of course you also can be too much influence in any language. If you just try to read on daily basis in your life, definitely you also can get a new advanced words, new advanced idioms, phrases, fancy word, fascinate word as well. And main thing is knowledge. And of course by the reading, definitely you also can get a really very positive impact. So we read. Next is, just try to make plan with your focus on goal. So just try to make goal in your life. What do you want to do in your life? If you didn't decide your target, your aim, what do you want in your life, so definitely you cannot focus on your future. But if you already decided to do something in your life, and by how is that possible? That is possible only and only if you decided to do anything, decided to become in any field. So just try to choose your field. What do you want to do in your life? According to that things, you also can go on the flow. And of course you also can do preparations according to your goal as well. Next is, I would like to suggest you that please just try to keep yourself more and more just try to keep yourself more and more with inspirations of people. If you will prefer to live with inspiration people, definitely they will inspire to you, and by that things you also can be happy, you also can be positive, and definitely you also can think more and more to be successful. You also can be think when you are feeling so much bad situations or so much anxiety, stressful, and definitely in these situations, if you will keep yourself in with the inspirations people, definitely you gonna help yourself because of community with a positive with inspirations people. So definitely in these situations you also can be calm yourself, you also can take decisions very politely. So just try to keep yourself with inspirations of people. Inspirations people will give you a lot of enjoy times, a lot of happiness, and by their stories, you also can think more and more and more to go into the sky. When you will go, when you will stand top of the sky, and definitely when you will see us, and definitely you will be proud on yourself because right now you just crossed your result up to 100%. Definitely that thing is really really honorable in your life. Next is be proactive. Be proactive, try to be active. Don't blame to your parents, don't blame your grandparents, don't blame your environment, don't blame lacking of sources in your life, don't blame it. Just try to be active with advanced technology. Just try to active to yourself with every type of environment. Just try to be a really really imbalanced persons in your life. So be proactive. Don't be think that I will do, okay I will do tomorrow. Don't be think, just try to take initiative actions and just try to think, no, I can now, I can do it, I can do it, I will, I will. Don't be think that I will do it tomorrow or I cannot. Don't be think. If you will try once, definitely you can take it. You can take it after your efforts with dedications. So, what did you learn? Definitely, we just learned be proactive. Just try to be feel energetic. Don't be feel so much lazy in your body. If you will think that I'm really so much feeling lazy, so just don't do that. And next is I will suggest you a little bit games. Just try to play any games on daily basis. If you don't have time, not too much playing, but just try to play like 10 or 15 minutes play. That games, that sport should be actions, like should be physically. Suppose you also can play badminton like as me, you also can play cricket like Dhoni, or you also can play chess, you also can play any cubes. By those games you cannot be fit and fine yourself. Even you also can get really really good fantastic mindsets as well. You also can grow your skills, you also can grow your mental power as well. You also can capture, you also can be too much intelligent if you will prefer to play on daily basis in your life. And you also can think, try to complete your target which you got it on daily basis. And suppose today is Wednesday, okay, so like just try to make a schedule just try to make a schedule in your notepad, and that schedules follow in your life. And just think that what work will remain. So just try to complete your work which you already follow by the schedule, by the timetable. So just try to follow all schedule and just try to complete your schedules don't leave for tomorrow. Just try to think, no, I will do it today. Okay, just try to make a timetable. Next is a really very great and good, definitely that gonna help you. And last, try to save yourself. Try to save yourself by time waster. Time waster. Especially, please you will concern. Please just try to concern this point. Those people really very so much waste the time. Actually, they also don't know timing of value. They also don't know. Actually, they didn't decide the goal as well, and that's why they they do not give the priority to the timing. So definitely, if you have any kind of company as a friend, as parent, as your family members, so just try to keep yourself from time wasters. If you will prefer to live with them, if you will prefer to be friend with them, and definitely you also gonna not be happy, because you also think, okay, I will do it tomorrow. Same things you also can think, okay. So don't be think to keep yourself with time wasters, because you are a time users. How can you think that you will prefer company with time wasters? Okay, so if you will prefer to your company, really very good genius intelligence busy persons, and definitely you also can be focused on your target. You also can be focused on your aim. You also can focus on your future as well. You cannot think to waste the time, because of you also have a really very great company, and that's why you also can think how to be successful. And by these habits you also cannot be successful. Even you also can make your life so beautiful. You also can make your life, your career, your relatives, or your atmosphere, your everything, you also can make so much beautiful. As a successful of people, as a successful of life, as a successful of career. If you want to do that, so just try to follow all these tricks, and just try to sleep on the time. So for that things, bye and have a great good day. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, like and share, and please just try to give the comment. What do you think about this thing, by this video? And when you will give me comment, positive comment, and definitely I also can be motivated to myself as well. I also can think now my little bit efforts which I'm doing for you all, for me as well, which I'm uploading video for you all, definitely that thing is working in your life. So definitely please just try to understand my efforts, my dedications, what I'm doing, really so much hard work. Just try to think once, you just think. And for that things, what will you do? You will have to share this video according to you, if video is really amazing in your life. And definitely by these messages, if you think that, definitely you also can be not change your habits. Even if you will follow these habits, definitely you can be successful in your life. So for that things, bye.